Hi everybody, this is Reza with Profile Traders, June the 15th, and we are looking at the chart of ES. If we go back to my video from yesterday, I very specifically said that if we are going to continue on the way up, 42.57 was one of my upside projection, and it looks like we nailed it on the overnight while we hit that level, and we saw a nice rejection on the downside from it. Then I also said to be very careful that if we were going to break below 42.44.5 or 42.44 even, this entire area was subject to be retraced. That's what exactly took place with the day session. Price was rejected immediately from the open to the downside. We were allowed to enter this zone, and we went ahead and retraced pretty much the entire zone plus some. Once we did reach the point of control from yesterday, we saw a little bit of a buying coming in, rejecting price up with a nice little buying tail, and we closed pretty much at the middle of the session, which is a neutral situation where neither the buyers nor the sellers won the battle today. Tomorrow it is going to be a huge day. It is the absolute most important FOMC meeting of Powell's career. In my humble opinion, inflation is out of control, especially that today crude oil breached over $72 and closed at 72.5. The higher crude oil will go, the fastest you are going to see price of everything going up, because everything is pretty much directly or indirectly related to the price of crude. So if you take the inflation rate annualized, that 5% increase that they are talking about becomes a double-digit inflation rate, which is something we have not seen since our dear beloved Jimmy Carter. So if he doesn't do anything tomorrow, which I think is going to be an absolute foolish mistake, I believe the market will be very disappointed, or I should not say disappointed, but very surprised of how careless and dangerous this Powell is. And if he is responsible, realizing that we are dealing with an absolute complete state of bubbles in many sectors, stock market, real estate market, on the top of that hyperinflation, and if he starts to announce that he's going to taper or possibly a surprise rate hike, that also should affect the market negatively. So unless I'm completely wrong, I believe tomorrow will be to the downside. But again, it's a simple personal opinion, doesn't mean that it will happen. Resistance numbers 42.42, 42.50, 42.57. Support 42.32, 42.27, 24.21. And if we do break the 21, we should come straight to 42.08. And if 42.08 doesn't hold, we are going to 4200. So please be very careful with your trading tomorrow as you will approach the 2 o'clock level. With that said, have a safe trading tomorrow, and talk to you the next time.